Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready. iPhone with recent iOS, Bluetooth enabled, and the watch charged. Begin pairing now. Open the watch app, tap Start Pairing, and align the watch face with the iPhone camera so the animation centers. This links hardware quickly. Once paired, you'll sign in with your Apple ID so activity and health data sync. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active because the watch downloads software and settings right after the secure handshake completes. Once paired, choose whether to set up as new or restore from a recent backup. Restoring saves app layouts and complications, which speeds setup. You'll be guided to create a passcode and enable wrist detection. This secures Apple Pay and health data, so turn them on. Next, select which apps and notifications to install now. This reduces clutter and conserves battery. While apps download, you can customize watch faces and complications. Make choices that match how you'll actually use the watch. Finish by letting the watch fully sync. Check that health metrics, messages, maps, and complications update correctly. Test Apple Pay with a small purchase, place and receive calls, and confirm notifications arrive. This proves functionality. If an update appears, install it now to avoid glitches. If things go wrong, restart iPhone and watch first. Then reset network settings or unpair and pair again, because most connection problems resolve after a fresh pairing. Keep your Apple ID credentials handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.